Hello. We will be taking up some problems from the miscellaneous exercise. So let us go to page number 30. So this is on page number 30, miscellaneous exercise. And this is question number 4 and sub question 3. Fine. A factory building was insured for 5/6 of its value. So value of the building basically it is not given. So value of the building is nothing but property value. So let the property value be rupees X. Okay. Policy value. Policy value is equal to 5/6 of the property value. It's given in the problem. If you read clearly, you will understand. Okay. Rupees, right? Rate of premium and agent's commission is given. Okay. But then premium amount is not given. So first we'll calculate premium. Okay. Premium is equal to rate of premium into policy value. So the rate of premium is nothing but 2.50% of policy value. So policy value is 5x by 6. Okay. So if we solve further, we can adjust this percentage as follows. That is equal to 2.50 upon 100 into 5x by 6. Then this two decimal digits, okay, we'll add two zeros in the denominator, okay, into 5x by 6, right? So 1010 is getting cancelled. So this is 125x by 6000. We can reduce this further, not a problem. Okay, so basically this is the premium, right? Then commission. Commission is equal to rate of commission into premium. Okay, commission paid to the agent was 2812.50. Okay, rate of commission is 7.5%. Okay, into premium. Premium is 125x by 6000, right? So we are going to solve this further. First, I'm going to adjust this decimal digits over here and percentage over here. So this will be 281250 upon 100 is equal to 7.5 upon 100 into 125x upon 6000, right? Okay, so I've adjusted this particular decimal digit and this percentage sign over here. So zeros are getting cancelled. So 28125 upon 10 is equal to 75 upon 1000. I'm eliminating this decimal point over here because of one decimal digit. I'm adding one zero in the denominator, as you can see, into 125x by 6000. Now this is pure mathematics of cross multiplication. So 1000 and 6000 will go in the numerator. 75 and 125 will go in the denominator. That will be x. Okay, so we'll reduce this. This 1010 is getting cancelled. 25 fours are and 25 threes are. Okay, right? And then 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. Now this is also divisible by 25 or rather 5 also. But then with 25 we reduce, it will be good. So those who are finding it difficult can reduce it with 5. Fine. So basically this is 125. So 25 fives are and 25 eights are. So 80 upon 5, that is equal to 16. So x will be nothing but 28125 into 16 into 4, that is equal to 64. So x will be, you'll have to calculate this particular value. Okay, not obviously with a calculator, but then um, just multiply this 28125 into 64. So if you are solving this, you'll get something like this, 18 lakh. So if you notice that x is nothing but the property value and they are asking value of the building. So the value of the building is nothing but rupees 18 lakh. So you have to mention all the, units and all. So I hope you understood this problem. The problem was quite calculative, but then this is the solution for the problem. Yeah. Okay. So question number 4 also we are going to solve right now after this. The next problem, which is question number 4. A merchant takes fire insurance policy to cover 80% of the value of the stock. So the value of the stock is not given. So property value, let it be rupees X. This is same page, page 30, question number 4 from fourth question of the miscellaneous exercise. Okay. It covers 80% of the value of the stock. So policy value is nothing but 80% of property value. So 80 upon 100 into X, which is equal to 8x by 10. Okay, after cancelling the zeros, this is the policy value, right? Stock worth rupees 80,000 was completely destroyed in a fire. So loss one is equal to rupees 80,000, which is the upfront loss. Okay, while the meaning of while mentioned over there is and the rest of the stock is nothing but balance. If you remember, this kind of problem we have done in lecture number 1 or 2. Fine. So first we'll calculate the balance formula is nothing but property value minus loss one. Okay, so property value is X into 80,000, right? So this is the balance. Now out of the remainder stock, that is the balance stock, this stock was reduced to 20% of its value. See, they are mentioning this words reduced to. Whenever it is reduced to, we have to subtract it from 100. Okay, in terms of percentage. So loss two is nothing but 80%. It got reduced to 20%, so the actual loss is 80%. 80% of what? 80% of the remaining stock, which is the balance. So 80 upon 100, 80 upon 100 into X minus 80,000. So if you multiply this, this will be 8x by 10 minus 8 into 10, 8 by 10 into 80,000. So this is cancelled. So 8x by 10 minus 64,000. This is nothing but loss 2. Damage. The total damage is nothing but loss 1 plus loss 2. Okay. So loss 1 is 80,000 and loss 2 is plus 6x minus 8x by 10 minus by 10 minus 64,000. So the damage is 80,000 minus 64,000, which amounts to 16,000 if I'm not wrong. 16,000 plus 8x by 10. So this is the total damage, right? In terms of rupees. Okay, now once we get the damage, the customer is entitled to, claim it. So claim is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. So damage we have calculated 16,000 plus 8x by 10. Property value is X. Policy value is, as you can see from the solution, it is 8x by 10. Okay. So this is 8x by 10. Okay. So here X will get cancelled. Okay. And the claim amount is given in the problem. The claim amount, that is the compensation amount, is 67,200. Okay. So that I will just write it over here. So 67,200, I'll multiply this 8 by 10 to both the terms over here. Okay. Or else I'll just write one more step so that you people are not getting confused. So this is equal to 8 by 10, 16,000 plus 8x by 10. 67,200 is equal to 8 by 10 into 16,000, 8 by 10 into 8x by 10. So 0 is getting cancelled. Okay. So now the further calculation I will just show you. I hope you are understanding till this particular point. So 16 into 8, that is 128, and two more zeros. So this will be 67,200, 128 and two more zeros, plus 64x upon 100. Okay, so 67,200 minus 128, two more zeros, 64x upon 100. 67,200 minus 128,000 will give me 54,440, which is equal to 64x upon 100. Okay, so 544,000 into 100 upon 64 is equal to x. Okay, so if you reduce this, you'll get somewhat around 850. Okay, you go on reducing by 2, then by 5. Okay, you'll get 850. So this is 85,000. So that is x. The x is the property value. So property value, which is the value of the stock, is nothing but rupees 85,000. Okay, I hope you understood this particular solution. Right, now let us take some more examples. Okay, so go to page number 31. Page 31, miscellaneous exercise 4. In that, let us solve question number 10. Fine. A property is valued at rupees 7 lakh, is insured to the extent of 5 lakh 60,000 at 5 by 8% less 20%. So the property value is nothing but 7 lakh. Okay. The policy value is also given to us. Policy value is 5 lakh 60,000 is given in the problem. And the rate of premium is given in a specific format, 5 by 8% less 20%. Okay, so calculate the savings made in the premium. Fine. So basically, due to that less is nothing but discount. So basically, due to that particular discount, how much amount of money is saved by the customer? Because ultimately the customer pays for the premium, but then we are giving him a discount. Okay, we are giving him a discount of 20% in the actual rate. So the old rate, I should say, it is 5 by 8%, and the new rate offered to him is as per the discount less 20%. So that is equal to 5 by 8% minus 20% of 5 by 8%, which is equal to 5 by 8% into 1 minus 20%. Okay, so the old rate and new rate I have written separately. Fine. Okay, so the concept is the customer is charged at the new rate, not at the old rate. Okay, but then we are supposed to find out how much is his saving due to the discount. So as per the old rate, I'm going to calculate the old premium. As per the new rate, I'm going to calculate the new premium. So old premium, and old premium is not really taken by the customer because that's the old rate. Okay, so rate of premium, old rate into policy value. So 5 by 8% of policy value. What's the policy value? Policy value is 5 lakh 60,000. 5 by 800. For percentage, I have added two more zeros. So this is the old premium. New premium, new rate, 5 by 8%, 1 minus 20% of policy value. 5 by 800, 1 minus 20 by 100, 5,60,000. 5 by 800. 80 by 100 into 5,60,000. Okay. So just cancel out the zeros. Okay. 8 ones are 8 tens are. Okay. So if you do 56 into 5 into 10, that will give you 2,800. Fine. Now customer is charged as per the new rate. So this is his actual charge. Okay. But then if the discount is not given, then the charge of, as in the amount of premium, will be 3,500. Okay. So actually he is going to pay 2,800. So a certain saving is made by him in the premium because of the discount given. So savings made in the premium. Okay. Old premium minus new premium. 3,500 minus 2,800, which is equal to rupees 700. So due to the discount, okay, the customer is getting a benefit of rupees 700. That is 700 less is charged in the new premium. Okay, so ultimately he's going to pay the new premium only. But then what is his saving? That the saving is rupees 700. Okay. Now the second part of the problem says that find the amount of loss that the owner must bear, including the premium. One type of problem of this category we have done in the lecture number 2. Okay. If the damage is to the extent of 40% of the value. So first we'll calculate damage, that is equal to 40% of the property. See, the words are not reduced to, so I'm not subtracting from 100. Okay. So it's plain 40% of the property value. Property value is 7 lakh. Okay. So 2,80,000 is the answer. Then we'll calculate claim. Claim is equal to damage into policy value upon property value. So damage is 2,80,000. Policy value. The policy value is 5,60,000. Okay. And the property value is 7 lakh. So zeros are cancelled. 7 ones are 7. Fours are. Okay. 2,24,000 is the value of the claim. Now, if you read the problem, they are asking how much loss the owner must bear, including the premium. So overall loss, that is nothing but loss including premium. Okay, we can write a formula for this. Damage minus claim plus new premium, because he is paying as per the new rate, which includes a discount. 2,24,000. Sorry, 1 second. 2,80,000 is the damage. Okay. So if you subtract this and add 2,800, now many might be wondering why new premium, because I've already explained that he has to pay as per the new premium. Fine. He has to pay the new premium because of the discount given. So this will be, for subtract this will be 56,000 plus 2,800. So that will be rupees 58,800. So this is the overall loss, which includes the premium. Fine. Yeah. Now we can go to exercise 2.1. One small problem we are going to solve. Exercise 2.1. Let us go to question number 6. I hope everybody is reading the problem. This question 6 from exercise 2.1. Yeah, a cargo of rice was insured at 0.625% to cover 80% of its value. So the insurance cover is 80%. Okay. The premium paid was 5250. The rice is 21 per kgs. The quantity of rice is what we need to find out. So property value is nothing but value of rice in cargo. Okay. This is very important statement. The property is the entire rice which is present in the cargo. Price per kg is equal to rupees 21. Let x kgs of rice be present in the cargo. Therefore, price of x kgs of rice. See, 1 kg rice is 21 rupees. So x kgs will be rupees 21x. So this is the property value. It is a price of x kgs of rice in the cargo, right? Okay. Now policy value. Policy value is 80% cover they have mentioned. 80% of the property value. 80 upon 100 into property value. What is the property value? 21x. Okay. So this will be 168 upon 10x. Fine. Yeah. So this is the policy value. Okay. Premium paid, the amount is also given and the rate of premium is also given. So premium, rate of premium into policy value. So 5250, the rate of premium is 0.625% into policy value. Policy value is 168x upon 10. So 5250, 0.625 upon 100. 168x upon 10, right? Okay. So to adjust this decimal digits, we'll put three more zeros in the denominator. So 5250, 168. Okay, 160, sorry, 625 upon a total of five zeros. 625 upon a total of five zeros into 168x upon 10. So just cross multiply this. 625 into 168 is equal to x. So reduce this with 5. So this will be 125, 1050. This is going to be okay. Again 25. So 5 5s are 5 4s are 100, 5 2s are okay. Then 5 1s are 5 2s are okay. And if you check these two numbers 42 and 168, so 42 multiplied by 4 will give you 168. 42 ones are 42 fours are okay. Then again 2 ones are 2 twos are, and then 2 ones are 2 fives are. So x is equal to 50,000. So what is x? X is nothing but property value. For the properties of rice, okay, the cargo has x kgs of rice. Therefore, the cargo has 50,000 kgs of rice. This is how you are going to solve this particular problem. Now there is one more problem based on this in the miscellaneous exercise. You can take it for your self study. Okay, I'll tell you that particular problem, then we'll wind up this particular session. So it's on page number 31, page number 30. Similar problem, you have to practice it on your own. Okay, so that's question number 8. Okay, Page 30, miscellaneous exercise 4, question number 8, right? So similar problem, just the values are different, okay? And instead of rice, they have mentioned grain. That's it. So it will be a good practice if you solve this problem immediately after this. Thank you, guys.